Have you ever had your medications delayed or flagged at airport security, or worse, lost them in checked baggage? Traveling with prescriptions can feel overwhelming these days, but it doesn't have to be. This guide will walk you through how to fly confidently with medications, avoid TSA hassles, and breeze through security without stress. First, here's some surprisingly good news. TSA allows quite a bit of flexibility when it comes to medications. Prescription pills, liquid medications, creams, ointments, and gels for medical purposes are all permitted. Even better, they're exempt from the usual liquid limits. No need to cram them into tiny bottles or plastic bags. Just take them out at screening and let the TSA officer know they're for medical use. Some travelers even label their medication bags with medical supplies to make things go even smoother, though that's optional. How you pack matters. Bringing a bag of loose and labeled pills is a sure way to trigger extra screening. The best approach is to keep medications in their original labeled containers, especially if they're controlled substances like Adderall, Ambien, or medications ending in a PAM, which often draw more attention. If you prefer using a pill organizer, snap a photo of your prescription labels and keep it on your phone. That way, you can quickly show proof if asked. When it comes to over-the-counter drugs like pain relievers, antacids, or vitamins, TSA is generally unconcerned, even if you're bringing large quantities. Liquid medications like cough syrup and allergy remedies are allowed to. I just pull them out during screening and mention they're for medical use. A smart move is to pack your over-the-counter medications separately from toiletries like shampoo and conditioner. Mixing them can slow down the screening process. For those traveling with medical devices like insulin pumps, CPAP machines, inhalers, or syringes, there's no need to panic. These are all allowed. Just communicate clearly at the checkpoint. If you wear electronic devices like glucose monitors, ask for a hand screening instead of going through the body scanner, as it can sometimes interfere with sensitive equipment. On international trips, it's a good idea to carry a doctor's note or a device ID card. While not required, this can help smooth things over if anyone questions your equipment. One important legal reminder: medical marijuana and CBD oil with over 0.3% THC are not allowed on planes, no matter what state laws say. TSA will confiscate them, and you may face additional questioning. If you need assistance at the airport, consider using TSA Cares. Fill out a brief form online at least 72 hours before your flight, and you can get personalized help through security. Also, wearing a sunflower lanyard can discreetly signal that you have a hidden disability and may need extra time or support. Packing wisely is key. Use a clear, reliable bag for all your medical items, pills, creams, inhalers, gel packs, and paperwork, and keep it separate from toiletries. Place this medical bag in your personal item like a backpack or purse that stays under the seat, not in your overhead carry-on or checked luggage. Checked bags can get delayed or rerouted, so avoid putting essential medications in them. For international travel, check the regulations of your destination country. Some places require translated prescriptions or ban medications that are common at home. Japan, for example, has strict limits even on cold medicine. Visit the U.S. Embassy website for your destination to review the rules before you go. Before heading to the airport, double-check that you've packed medications in original containers or have clear photos of their labels. Bring enough supply for your entire trip plus an extra 5 to 7 days in case of delays. Keep a printed and digital medication list and make sure prescriptions match the name on your ID, especially for international trips. If you're using frozen gel packs, make sure they're fully frozen before reaching security. If you can, pack a backup supply in your checked bag in case something goes missing. With these steps, you'll be prepared, confident, and ready to travel smoothly with your medications. Stay informed, pack smart, and take care of your health every step of the journey.